I chose to go into the field of medicine primarily because I had a real genuine interest in cancer and cancer therapies. I had a childhood friend who had cancer, and that always informed and motivated my decision to go into medicine. Cancer immunotherapy wasn't something that was on my radar until I heard my Ph.D. advisor speak at a seminar during my first year of medical school. Pramod Srivastava, whose lab I later joined as a graduate student, spoke about cancer immunology and cancer immunotherapy in a way that made it sound like the great unanswered question of our time. Personally, I've spent most of my clinical career working in melanoma and was so privileged to be part of a clinical trial combining two drugs, CTLA-4 blocking antibody ipilimumab and a PD-1 blocking antibody nivolumab. As someone who does treat patients with cancer with these immunotherapies, it has been amazing, really, to have a front row seat in seeing how the field has literally been transformed during the course of my medical training. I can certainly say that my experience as a medical oncologist is vastly different than it would have been if I had been in this position 10 years or even 5 years ago. It has always been so clear to me the really important role that CRI plays as a place for like-minded people to congregate at a time when immunotherapy was not on the front pages of every medical journal out there. I think CRI continues to play a great role both in supporting the best science and expanding the reach of immunotherapy. Having patients of mine who have so profoundly benefited from these immunotherapies, it generates an enthusiasm and a hope. It allows you to go into a room and talk to a patient and truly believe the therapy can offer them not just a chance for their tumor to shrink for a little while, but for it to be in check perhaps for years. And that's something that is just a wonderful conversation to have. I'm really optimistic and hopeful that some of the successes we've seen in melanoma and now non-small cell lung cancer and renal cell cancer are going to be extended to other tumor types, and immunotherapy is going to be seen not as a niche but as a standard therapy across cancer.